This steering wheel kit promises a serious upgrade for your Freightliner Cascadia 113, but does it deliver on that promise? Let's dive in. We're looking at the 18-inch black leather Traveler steering wheel kit with a black powder-coated aluminum 5-hole hub adapter from Technical Precision. Right out of the box, the quality feels substantial. The leather on the wheel is smooth and has a nice grip, which is crucial for those long hauls. It's not just about looks. The 18-inch diameter feels just right, offering a good balance of control and comfort without being overly large. The installation process, while not covered in detail here, is designed to be vehicle-specific for the 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 113, which is a huge plus. This means you're not wrestling with universal adapters that never quite fit. The black powder-coated aluminum hub adapter looks sleek and sturdy, and the 5-hole design is standard for this type of application. It's the kind of detail that shows Technical Precision has thought about the integration into the existing truck system. Driving with this wheel is a noticeable improvement. The tactile feedback from the leather is excellent, reducing hand fatigue on extended trips. The steering feels more direct and responsive, which can make a real difference in maneuverability, especially in tight spots or during lane changes. It's one of those upgrades that you might not realize you needed until you experience it. The overall aesthetic it brings to the cab is also a significant enhancement, giving the interior a more premium and personalized feel. For any owner of a 2018 Freightliner Cascadia 113 looking to elevate their driving experience, this kit from Technical Precision is a compelling option that seems to hit all the right notes for both form and function. It's a solid investment for comfort and control.
Check out the video description for updated price. And thank you for watching this video.